Welcome to this complete Cebu, Philippines guide. Today we're embarking on a virtual journey to the heart of the Philippines, Cebu, an island paradise that's brimming with history, culture and adventure. We'll explore 10 must-see spots from the historical Magellans Cross to the breathtaking Tops Lookout. Along the way we'll plunge into cascading falls, meet gentle giants of the sea and soak in the vibrant local culture. So buckle up for an exciting adventure. Ready to dive into the vibrant world of Cebu? Let's get started. First stop, the iconic Magellans Cross. Steeped in history and culture, this symbol of the Philippines' conversion to Christianity is a must-see. Planted by Portuguese and Spanish explorers led by Ferdinand Magellan in the early 16th century, it symbolizes the birth of Christianity in this part of the world. It's not just any old cross, oh no. Encased in a larger wooden cross, it's said to be a piece of the original cross planted by Magellan himself. Now, isn't that something? Located in the heart of Cebu City, the kiosk housing the cross is a lively place filled with the daily hustle and bustle, offering a snapshot of local life. It's an opportunity to immerse oneself in the rich history and vibrant culture of this beautiful island nation. So when in Cebu, make sure to visit this historical gem. A visit to Cebu isn't complete without seeing the Magellans Cross. Next up, the Basilica del Santo Niño. This architectural marvel is more than just a church. It's a testament of faith and a symbol of Cebu's rich history. Founded in the 16th century, it's one of the oldest Roman Catholic churches in the Philippines. The Basilica's architecture is a stunning fusion of colonial Spanish and native Filipino styles, creating a unique aesthetic that enchants visitors. The Basilica del Santo Niño isn't just about the architecture, though. It's a pulsating heart of Cebu's culture. Every year it's the center of the Sinulog Festival, a vibrant celebration of local culture, faith and history. But it's not just the locals who are drawn to this sacred place. Globetrotters from all over the world are captivated by its spiritual allure. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or a spiritual seeker, the Basilica del Santo Niño offers a profound experience that transcends the ordinary. A place of faith and beauty, the Basilica del Santo Niño. For the thrill seekers, we have the Osob whale shark watching. Now this isn't your everyday aquarium visit, no. Picture yourself in the warm, tropical waters of the Philippines, and right before your eyes, the ocean's gentle giants, the whale sharks, glide gracefully. These magnificent creatures, some reaching lengths of over 10 meters, are a sight to behold. Osob offers a unique opportunity for close encounters with these majestic beings in their natural habitat. It's a heart-stopping experience that brings you face to face with the largest fish in the sea. But it's not just about the thrill. It's about understanding and appreciating these creatures, promoting their conservation, and learning about the marine ecosystem they inhabit. Osob whale shark watching is more than just a tourist activity. It's a journey into the heart of the ocean, a glimpse into the lives of its biggest inhabitants, an unforgettable encounter with the gentle giants of the sea. Moving on to the breathtaking Kawasan and Tumalog falls. Imagine a place where nature's artistry is so vivid it leaves you breathless. That's exactly what these falls offer. Picture cascades of crystal clear water tumbling down amidst a lush, tropical backdrop. Kawasan's turquoise waters invite you for a rejuvenating swim, while Tumalog's gentle, misty falls create a surreal, ethereal ambience. But these falls are not just for admiring from afar. Oh no, they are a playground for the adventurous. You can dive into the invigorating waters, or for the adrenaline junkies, canyoneering is a must. Traverse the river, climb rocks, and plunge into the cool waters below. It's an exhilarating experience that marries thrill with the serene beauty of nature. These falls are more than just water cascading down rocks. They are an immersive experience that engages all your senses. They are nature's symphony, conducted by the wind and played by the water. Nature's masterpiece in full display, the Kawasan and Tumalog Falls. Step back in time with a visit to Fort San Pedro. Nestled in the heart of Cebu City, this centuries-old fortress is a testament to the city's rich past. Built by the Spanish under Miguel López de Legazpi in the 16th century, it served as a military defense structure, shielding the city from pirates and other invaders. The architecture is a fascinating blend of Spanish and native design elements, making it a unique sight to behold. As you wander through its hallowed halls, you'll be greeted by thick stone walls that whisper tales of battles fought and won. You'll also find an intriguing museum within, displaying artifacts and images that narrate the history of Cebu. The fort's lush garden is an oasis in the bustling city, offering a tranquil spot for quiet contemplation. Whether you're a history buff or simply a curious traveler, Fort San Pedro is a must-visit. A piece of history preserved. That's Fort San Pedro. Now let's explore the captivating Mactan Island. This island is a true gem, boasting pristine beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see. Their sands, a delicate blend of white and gold, are as inviting as the clear blue waters that border them. Mactan Island is also home to an array of luxury resorts, each offering a unique blend of comfort, tranquility, and unbridled luxury. From private villas nestled in lush greenery to sky-high suites offering panoramic sea views, there's something for every taste and budget. But the real allure of Mactan lies in its water activities. Whether you're a seasoned diver exploring its vibrant coral reefs, a thrill-seeker jet skiing across its crystalline waters, or a leisure traveler embarking on a traditional banker boat for an island-hopping adventure, there's no shortage of ways to make a splash. Mactan Island, where the sea meets the sky. For the water babies, we recommend Molbol for snorkeling and diving. This gem of Cebu is a paradise for underwater explorers, offering a rich marine life that will leave you in awe. Picture this, an underwater world bursting with color, where vibrant corals play host to a diverse array of fish species. The crystal clear waters of Molbol make it an ideal spot for snorkeling. Even if you're just floating on the surface, you'll be treated to a spectacular view of the underwater wonders. But the real treat in Molbol is the unforgettable experience of diving alongside sea turtles. These gentle creatures, gracefully gliding through the water, are a sight to behold. You'll feel like you've stepped into a whole other world. A world where time slows down and all that matters is the beauty of the here and now. Dive into a world of color and life in Molbol. Our next stop is the majestic Simala Shrine. A marvel of architecture nestled in the heart of Cebu, Simala Shrine is a testament to the deep-seated faith and spirituality of the locals. Its intricate designs and grandeur are an homage to the Virgin Mary, to whom the shrine is dedicated. The shrine is not just a beacon of faith, but also a sanctuary of tranquility. Its serene atmosphere provides a respite from the bustling city life, a place to reflect and find inner peace. The shrine's surroundings, with its lush greenery and breathtaking views, add to its calming ambience. The significance of Simala Shrine to the locals is immense. It's a place where miracles are believed to happen, where prayers are heard and answered. It's not just a tourist spot, but a sacred place deeply ingrained in the hearts of the Cebuanos. A place of peace and spirituality, the Simala Shrine. Last but not least, the Tops Lookout. Just imagine standing over 2,000 feet above sea level with a sweeping panoramic view of Cebu City and beyond. That's exactly what you get at the Tops Lookout. This vantage point offers a breathtaking spectacle, especially during sunrise or sunset, when the city lights just start to twinkle like stars on the ground. With its circular stone architecture and wide viewing decks, the Tops Lookout is designed to give visitors the best possible view of the city. It's a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle below, where time seems to slow down, and all you can hear is the soft whispering of the wind. Visiting at daybreak or dusk is recommended for the best experience. The golden hues of the sun paint the city in a warm glow, creating a picture-perfect moment that's worth capturing. For the best views of Cebu, the Tops Lookout is a must-visit. What an adventure we've had exploring Cebu. We've taken a journey back in time to the historic Magellans Cross, a symbol of the Spanish arrival in the Philippines, and the Basilica del Santo Niño, a majestic church with a rich history and spiritual significance. Then we've plunged into the deep blue waters of Osob for an unforgettable encounter with the gentle giants of the sea, the whale sharks. A moment that truly takes your breath away. We've embraced the natural beauty of Kawasan and Tumalog Falls, where the cascading waters create a scene straight out of a fairy tale. These falls are the epitome of tranquility and serenity. Our trip has also led us to the sturdy walls of Fort San Pedro, a testament to the resilience and strength of the Filipino people. We've set foot on the sandy beaches of Mactan Island, a tropical paradise that's perfect for sun, sea, and sand enthusiasts. Then we've dived into the underwater world of Moalboal, a haven for snorkeling and diving lovers. We've paid our respects at the Simala Shrine, a place of worship and miracles, and finally we've ended our journey with a panoramic view of the city from Top's Lookout. From historical landmarks to natural wonders and thrilling adventures, Cebu offers a vibrant blend of experiences that cater to every traveler's taste. That's it for our Cebu travel guide. We hope you're as excited to visit as we are to welcome you. Until next time, safe travels.